Hey, this is Dylan from SlickText. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use merge tags to send engaging and personalized mass texts. Texting is one of the most personal ways that a brand can communicate with its audience. Merge tags allow you to put personalized information into a mass text so that each one of your subscribers gets a unique message sent to them. In this video, we'll go over how to personalize a campaign by using merge tags. We'll also cover how to add a fallback to a merge tag in case you don't have that particular piece of data stored for a contact. The most common way people use merge tags is by adding a first name to a text. Let's walk through that now. We'll head over to the campaigns page and click Create Campaign. We'll name our campaign, I'll say Jersey Sale. This is going to my VIP list, and now I'll compose my message. I'll start with hey, and then I want to address this group by first name. So when I get this text, it says, hey Dylan. If someone named Bob gets this text, it says, hey Bob. So what we're going to do is click these brackets down here to open up this merge tag window. It's going to let me select any data field for my contacts. I've got all my standard fields here and any custom fields that I've created as well. I'm going to select first name and it adds this merge tag to my text. I'll finish typing out my message. So you might be wondering, what happens if you don't have a first name for a contact that gets this text? Now, this is specifically for the first name merge tag. Their text will say friend. So their message would read, hey friend. For any other merge tag, like if you were inserting their zip code and they didn't have a zip code on file, the text would just leave that spot blank. If you want to make sure that something specific gets included instead of leaving it blank, you'll need to create a fallback for the merge tag, which we'll go over in the second part of this video. But for this message, I want to send it now, so I'll hit review to review the details of my campaign before it gets sent. Here, it shows me the estimated credits required to send this campaign. Because we're using a merge tag, each text sent might be a different character count depending on if someone has a long or short first name. If someone's first name pushes this character count past 160, it will take 2 credits to send that person's message. Okay, I'm going to hit send now and pull up my phone to show you what this message looks like. SlickText has taken that merge tag and put my first name in here. If it didn't have my first name stored, it would just address me as friend. Now, what happens if you want to send a message with a merge tag that only a portion of your contacts have that piece of data on file? You'll want to create a fallback for your merge tag so your message still makes sense. In the previous example, we sent a text using the first name merge tag. Let's go back and send a similar campaign but personalize it even more. You can create a new campaign, but for the sake of this video, we'll clone the one that we just sent. I'll rename it. I still want this to go to my VIP list. Okay, let's say that when most people opted into this list, they also gave me their favorite sports team name. And it's been stored in a custom field in SlickText. I want to add that to my text to make it even more personal and attention-grabbing. So let's take this out and add my favorite sports team merge tag. Now, if I were to get this message, it would say, hey Dylan, the season kicks off soon, and our new gear has arrived just in time. Come by and check out our new 49ers gear. But what if I don't have any information other than a phone number for this contact? The first name merge tag would be changed to friend automatically, but I want the favorite sports team merge tag to say NFL. So I'm going to go to our favorite sports team merge tag, and right here before the end of the brackets, I'm going to add a vertical bar. It's right below the delete key on my keyboard, but it might be somewhere else for you. Then I'll type in NFL. So again, what this is saying is fill in their favorite sports team here if we have it saved as a custom field. If the custom field is empty, use NFL as the fallback. I'll go forward to the review screen and then hit send. So let's pull up what this would look like from a contact's perspective. On the left is what the text would look like for my contact that has a name and a favorite sports team saved in SlickText. It's put in their first name, it's also put in their favorite team. On the right is a contact I only have a phone number for, no name or favorite team. The merge tag says friend, and NFL, because those are the fallback values. Using merge tags really opens the door to being able to send mass text to any number of contacts, but still sound conversational and personal. If there were other topics brought up in this video that you'd like to know more about, visit our Help Center. There's an article or video on every single one of our features. And as always, please reach out to our support team. We'd love to help.